Je suis dans le texte. I look a bit crusty dusty. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther, and if you're new, please subscribe, and if you're not new, thank you so much for clicking to watch another one of my videos. So this is the entrepreneurial vlog episode 5. Yeah, we're finally on episode 5, and this will carry on as long as I still own a business. So if you guys have any questions or any video ideas you want me to do, just let me know, because this video is requested by one of my subscribers, and she said she wants to see how I ship things from, like how I make my labels and ship things from home. So today is Sunday, the 2nd of June, and my arms hurt already. Oh my god. So today is Sunday, the 2nd of June, and I and at Jola on Earth, if you watched my last vlog, you'll know what I'm talking about. We made a lip gloss collaboration together. Let me even show you guys while I'm at it. We made a lip gloss collaboration together, and literally it launched today, and I think this is the 3rd sale now. This is the 3rd sale, and one of like my normal sales. So we have the bundle gloss. It just comes like that. We have the bundle glosses. Someone ordered one of the bundle glosses, and the colors are extremely pretty. If you watch my last vlog, you would have seen all of this in their awesome glory. So that is Zeus. I'm still trying to get used to the name. This is Gaia, and this is Leo. So we have these 3 glosses. Just looks bomb. So I'll just be packing the orders that we got today, and if anyone else orders again before I sleep, before I go to bed, then I'll just pack it as well. You're going to need a laptop. That's just the orders on there, and a printer is just underneath. Some paper. You can get the sticky paper, but I just got normal plain paper, and whatever you want to ship out, and some tape, as well as scissors, or you can get a tape dispenser if you're bougie. So yeah, that is just it. So guys, I'm giving you a little backstory about where some of the glosses are going to. One is going to Nigeria. One is going to America, I think, or Canada, and 2 are going to the UK. So what I like to do, like personally, I don't like going to the post office, because I can just print out everything and just drop it off in the post box, because some of the post office staffs, they're just too rude. They don't like, they're just like, everything is packaged, like, right, like I will package all my orders and put the name label, like literally everything, then they'll put it in that their measuring thing and be like, oh, this is not large letter, it's a small parcel. I'm thinking, but I've printed it off. Like, you don't expect me to cancel what I've done and then bring it back home, and then the customer cannot get their orders. And some of the, like, there's a particular post office that I don't like going to, because the girl is just too rude. But this other one, I have to take a bus there. So this other one, like, it just doesn't care. You just take it and be like, oh, okay, that's all then. I'm thinking, you are the G, you loyal, you smart. Like, I don't know why this post office people just take life so seriously. Like, I've made your job easy, just take my parcel and go. It doesn't make a difference, you know. So yeah, that's my little rant. Let me carry on now. It's like 4:47 now, so this shouldn't take me long at all. Hopefully my ink doesn't finish halfway, because if it does, that's stress. Anyways, let me just get started. I don't know what I'm doing. I just found out that my my postal bags are almost finished. Like, every time I feel them, it feels like there's still a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Literally, I have 8 left. 8. Now I have 7 left. And I don't like the bubble mailers because first of all, they are too expensive, and second of all, why should I spend so much money on something that people are still going to throw away anyways? So like this, it's not the cutest, but it does the job. Like once you open it up, that's it, it's going in the bin. Say no to plastic, but it's going straight in the bin. So why should I spend so much money on something that's still going in the bin anyways? So I really need to start packing these orders. Hey guys, so I'm done now. This is all the orders so far. This one is the one that has the bundle gloss in. This is single, one gloss and one highlight. So now this is the important bit. So what I just wanted to say is I ship through Royal Mail and it's been affordable so far, but if you guys know any other like shipping companies that ship internationally and is affordable on the line, then please let me know. Leave them in comment section below. So I would print out everything. I wouldn't show you guys the information, obviously, like the customer information and address and stuff. So yeah, let's get printing. There we go. So guys, when you go on the Royal Mail website, this is what you see, and you just come to buy and print postage. But one of them paid through PayPal, so I'll be using PayPal for that one because PayPal is really easy to ship from. So I'll quickly do that. So as you can see from the top, that's the person that paid me last, and right there it says print postage label. So on that side of the screen is your address and the person's address. So this is where you put in the weight and everything. So I just guessed the weight, to be honest, because large letters is meant to be between 0 and 100 grams, and I know that my parcel is less than 100 grams, but I just put like 90 or 80, but it's still in that range. So for this one, should be around 70 grams. So you just fill in the weight, and it's first class. I do first class. Yeah, I do first class, and it's large letter. So you come here and say calculate postage cost. So while it's doing that, yep, £1.06. So you have to ship this off between now and 1 working day. So you confirm and pay. So once you pay, it should take you to the okay, so it just shows that. Then you click on print, and this print label, because of how small my package is, I like to print it like A5 or A6, so it's not really too big. That is what it looks like, and that's one. So all that's left is to just cut it and stick it on. So it just looks like that. It's really small. It just looks like that. Stick it onto the front and you're ready to go. So Kennedy didn't order with PayPal. She used that card to order. So I'll just go to the Royal Mail website. I'll make sure I have our information ready. So this is what the Royal Mail website looks like when you're about to like buy postage quickly, as it says right there. So once again, just put in the weight. I'll say this is about 100 grams. So I pick large letter because it is a large letter. Then I choose the service, which is first class. Then I just put in our details and my details as well. I'll show you when I've done all that. Okay, so guys, when you've imputed all the details, it will bring you to the page to pay. If you want to pay through PayPal or your bank card, I just use PayPal because that's where the money is, I think. That's such an ugly laugh. But when it's done, ta-da, you're ready to print out your labels. And you just come here, click on label, open it. I'm ready. There we go. So the only thing about this one is that it shows you the price, which I'm not comfortable with because some people are cray. But you just click on print. I just got an email that I paid for the postage. Click on print. Actually, it's a still show. And you just do the same thing you did the first time. This is just one sheet of paper, and I think it's A5. Actually, let me make this, yeah, A5 is enough. Then you print it off. Anyways, yeah, this is what it looks like.
She does not only do business and videos, she does hair as well.
So guys, she's so gassed right now. Ready? This, actually, let me take it out of the bag.
It's my job.
I just want to show them. Calm down. This, actually, I need the sun. This is what, oh wow. This is what the bag looks like. Oh, that's what the bag looks like. It's really pretty. Okay, the sun needs to do its job. It's also on my website.
$5.50.
Okay, there we go. It's really cute. So, here you go, love.
You have to put it back in the bag, and I have to. Thank you.
Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, give it a huge thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more entrepreneurial videos. Stop whispering in my ears. Ew. And stay positive, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay motivated, and don't forget to drink water and mind your business. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.
It's not scanning. So guys, I'm done posting it now. I've got my certificate of posting.